Next, we are going to move into the first topic for discourse, which is the line plot. What is a line plot? A line plot is basically the simplest form of plot where you plot some numbers against one another. And as we see here, I have created a list of numbers x and a list of numbers y. And we are going to be plotting the values of each element in this x against each element in y. So 1 against 10, 2 against 15. The plt.plot is actually one of the most important things when we are plotting a line. It takes in two arguments here, which is our x, a list of numbers, and our y. After that, we use the plt.x label to label each axis of our plot. And we have the plt.y label to label our y-axis. And we also need to put a title to our plot, which is just a simple line plot.